If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what's inside the box for the Ossur Cold Rush system. Once you get your box, you're going to want to open it up. And the first thing you're going to pull out is the skin warning. This just serves as a reminder to never put the pad directly on your skin and to make sure you always have a barrier in place. Next, you're going to want to pull out your pad if you ordered one. The pad will be in the box and it will be for whatever body part you're treating. Once you've made sure that's there, you're ready to pull the cooler out. Once you pull the cooler out, you're going to want to open it up and make sure that your instruction booklet is inside, along with your power supply. Once you've made sure everything's there, you're ready to begin your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.